Here's how to create a binocular effect in Premiere Pro. Go to Project Panel and click on New Item. Create a new black video and drag it above your video layer. Go to the Effects panel and search for Circle. Drag it onto the black layer and in the Effect Controls, change the radius of the circle effect to 500. Expand the feather option and make the feather outer edge 30. And then scroll down and switch the blend mode from normal to add. Also change the centering setting to 560. That's the first half of the binoculars. To add the second half to the right, close down this window and right-click the circle effect. Click on copy, then right-click anywhere here and choose paste. Now all you have to do is change the center setting from 560 to 1360. After that, close down that window because we don't need it anymore. And right under the opacity option of the whole layer, change the blend mode from normal to multiply. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and sub. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.